Installing the VisualSP Internet Browser plugin is a very simple process, and once you do that, you get access to hundreds and hundreds of Microsoft produced training content for Office 365. Let me show you the process. Start with either Bing or Google, doesn't matter. Do a search for VisualSP plugin. Here it is, VisualSP plugin. That's all you need to type in. The first link that comes up, click on that. It's already gonna automatically expand this section that pertains to your browser. For me it's Chrome, so it showed me this section. I'll click on install extension here. Brings me to this page. I'll go ahead and click on add to Chrome, add extension, and that's it. Nothing much to it. Now if I go to any Office 365 application like Word, Excel, Microsoft Forms, OneDrive, whatever, I'll see the Need Help tab right here at the bottom right. Okay, once you click on the tab, you'll get all kinds of content that relates to the application you're in. So currently I'm on OneDrive. It shows me all the OneDrive specific things. Okay, if I'm in OneNote, it shows me OneNote things. If I'm in Excel, it shows me things pertaining to Excel. And all this content coming from Microsoft in forms of videos, images, text, all kinds of stuff to help you out.